So, Blender released something new, and it chops up my onions perfectly. But enough about my kitchenware. Hey guys, welcome back to Let's by Kai. I'm Kai, and today we are back in Blender once again, taking a look at this new rig that they have recently released. Her name is Rain, and they're giving it away for free, which is super awesome, so you guys can play around with this rig. The link will be down in the description. I kind of wanted to just tell you guys that this was even a thing, because I know a lot of people don't even know. So it's going to open up like this when you open the blend file, and to fix, this blackness, you just go to layout instead of being in general over here. So just go up here to layout, and then you can just like close this, drag down. And there she is. This is Rain right here. Fully rigged, of course, because it's just, one of Blender's rigs. So it's already fully rigged. It already has IK and everything, which is quite nice. You can see we just rotate our knees around there. Very awesome. Already materialized, texturized, all that good stuff. We can go to material mode, see what it actually looks like. Sorry. So I really like this rig. This is quite a nice rig already. The way that it is without doing anything, and of course you can always modify it yourself by going and changing colors of things. Actually, we're in a color ramp here, so we have to down and open the color ramp. Might as well just open up the shader editor real quick. And we can always go ahead and just mess around with some of these colors, like the color of her shirt. Maybe I want to make it darker. Let's make it darker real quick. Make it darker like that. Let me turn my overlays off. Down here. There we go. I can make her shirt darker. I can make her shirt a nice blue color. And this one as well. There we go. A nice bluish color like that. Maybe a purplish. Maybe more pink. A more whitish, yellowy, orangey. Let's do orangey. Orangey, like maybe like that. I don't know. I think it looks really good. So I really do, like I said, I really do enjoy this rig. This is one of my favorite rigs, actually. This is fairly nice, And now with ones like these, you see this scarf is actually an image. So we're not actually able to. We're not actually able to change this color the way that I would want to, but what we can do is we can, the jeans I think they're the same way, the jeans are the same way, so we cannot change the color of the jeans, but they did the shirt as to where you can change it, which is kind of strange that they wouldn't for the jeans, but I suppose like she has like this stuff for the zipper here, but on the shirt it's not so much the same way, it's just like an overall texture that they just put onto the shirt itself. And this as well, I think this does have some kind of shading there to define those creases more. So I do hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to let you guys know that there was another rig Blender has released out there in the world. Like I said, the link will be down in the description. Let's just make her super sweaty. Maybe she just ran a marathon, guys. Look at that. Look how sweaty she is now. Look at that. Isn't that difference? Very cool. You can just go ahead and quickly change values this way. You can turn the subsurf all the way off, or leave it the way that it was. They do have a value plugged into this with the color ramp here, which is kind of weird at the same time. I like that they do some different things, but yeah. So turn the subsurf up. Ooh, wow, she just turned into a gelatin woman. Turn subsurf down, all the way off. Either way, hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed it. Definitely go grab this rig. Like I said, it will be down in the description. The link to Blender Cloud, I believe it is. But yeah, so go out there, do some animations, do some nice photos with this thing. Absolutely love this rig. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in the next one, but until then, bye bye.